Are you a medical or engineering aspirant? And do you dream about building a career in healthcare sector? Or do you want to be an enthusiastic researcher who shapes the future of our country? So all the fellow aspirants, you are at the right place at the right time. Brilliant Study Center Pala, India's top-notch NEET JEE coaching academy, provides finest education for you to reach your goals. The meritorious achievements of our institution is unbeatable as the testimonials are right in front of you. The triumphant of our victorious victory in NEET 2024 gained attention and recognition across the globe. As the first ever 720 out of 720 in the history of Kerala was backed by our beloved student Srinand Sharmal and was awarded with a scholarship of 1 crore rupees. The list of our brilliant young minds are endless, and now Brilliant Pala proudly presents an incredible opportunity to reach your dream with a brilliant program, Brilliant Crash Course 2025. The students studying in class 12 or those who have completed class 12 and enrolled in other institutions can avail this golden opportunity to be the part of country's premium coaching center. The first batch commences on the 1st of November 2024. Rather than molding you for an entrance examination, this program is tailored so that you can score the best grades for your board examinations as well. The program is designed in 3 modes: online, offline and hybrid mode.
It is indeed our privilege to organize around 23 offline centers all across Kerala in Kavadia, Neyatankara, Nalanjara, Kottarakara, Kollam, Karunagapalli, Adur, Pathanamthitta, Alappuzha, Changanasheri, Pala, Kanchanapalli, Kottayam Town, Thodupuzha, Kodamangalam, Thrikkakara, Tevara, Thrissur, Palakkad, Kottakal, Kozhikode, Kannur and Kanjangad.
You can opt either for online or offline classes or even the combination of both as hybrid classes. Our proficient professors are the backbone of Brilliant as they are ready to serve the students with the best classes, the best study materials and doubt clearing facilities. Systematic conduction of examinations and doubt clearances, classroom facilities, mentoring, library and the Topper's Companion, the top-rated e-learning app make your academic journey serene. In collaboration with India Post, our study materials are made available at your doorsteps. This course is catered to you at an inexpensive cost, and also we offer scholarships best in the country purely based on the merit. Join today and secure your future with the most trusted mentor in the country, Brilliant Study Center Pala. For further details, visit our website www.brilliantpala.org or contact us at 04822 206 100.
എൻട്രൻസ് സംബന്ധമായ വാർത്തകളും അപ്ഡേഷനുകളും ഏറ്റവും വേഗം ആധികാരികമായി അറിയാൻ ബ്രില്യന്റ് സ്റ്റഡി സെന്റർ പാല യൂട്യൂബ് ചാനൽ സബ്സ്ക്രൈബ് ചെയ്യുക. ബെൽ ഐക്കൺ അമർത്തുക. ഈ വീഡിയോ മറ്റ് സുഹൃത്തുക്കളിലേക്കും ഷെയർ ചെയ്ത് നൽകുക.